G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me, and would you like me to be your personal gardening and self-sufficiency coach? Well, let me introduce you to HomeGrow, my very own hard worked on app to coach you as if I was standing right next to you in the garden, or as if I was in the palm of your hand. Let's get into it. So I'm very excited about this. It's taken me a while to develop this app with the help of Studio, which is who I've teamed up with, and I am really happy with how it's turned out. I wish I had this app when I first started. It would make life a lot more easier than all that trial and error. But I've done all the hard yards so that you don't have to. That's one of the main reasons why I started blogging and my YouTube channel, was to bring all this information through YouTube and through social media to you guys to make it easier for you, so you didn't have to trial and error and take so long like I did to learn all this stuff. But over the past 10 years or so, becoming popular on social media, one of the hardest things I've had to come to terms with is not being able to get back to everyone. I get hundreds and thousands of comments every month, and it really pains me to think that I can't get back to everyone because there's just one of me. I can now be in contact with literally thousands of people at a time and impart my knowledge and answer questions that people really want to know. And the way I've done that is by making sure this app is designed from beginner right through to advanced gardeners, whether you're trying to grow in a small backyard or on a balcony, or in a terraced garden, or on an acreage out of suburbia, or even on a larger farm. This app is designed for everyone. And I've been able to do that by gathering all the information that I've ever done over the past 20 years, which is a heck of a lot of writing, lots of articles, lots of media posts, and lots of videos, nearly 1,000 videos, I have been able to put into the brain of this app, so that when people are needing answers to questions or know how to gain a skill, knowing what type of soil to grow in, knowing how to improve their soil, knowing what to grow when, knowing how to grow something, even keeping chickens and other types of poultry, those types of things, where to site their orchard, where to site their garden, how to get the biggest harvests possible, and then how to preserve and keep those harvests, and a whole myriad of other things has all been packed into this app, like I said, just as if I was there with you in the garden. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep updating this even further. So I'm not going anywhere. The more I learn, the more that this app is going to learn, and I want to get it as close to me as possible, even a lot of the faults. So if you're interested at all in purchasing this app, or even having a trial of it, go to the link below, and I'll put it down in the description, and also in the comment section I'll pin it up there. And for the next, I think it's limited time, might be the next week, you can get 20% off. I don't control that. Studio controls those types of promotions, but I believe as a once-off, start-off promotion for my new app, you can get 20% off over the next week or so. So get in there, check it out, and let me know obviously what you think too, because a lot of this will be improved through feedback. I already think it's pretty good, and I've been playing with it a heck of a lot. So I think you will enjoy it as well. And if you've ever sent me a question and I've never answered it, I'm sorry. But if you like, sign up to this and you'll never have a question that goes unanswered ever again. And if you want to know a skill or do what I've done, all parceled up into lessons and carefully planned activities, just go and check it out, no obligation, and see what you think, and hopefully you will enjoy it. I'm pretty confident you will. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now. Cheers.